Hey, I'm the Wild Dog Dev, and today I'll be playtesting Shamat by Bend34K. It's a roguelite arcade game about chess pieces, pellets, and capturing your enemy before it captures you. How many rounds can you survive? That was the description of the game. Uh, it's a strategy game, and it's a web build. You can find it at itch.io, the link will be in the description. For the main menu, I don't have much to say. The options are as simple as can be, and you have a simple tutorial button if you want it or don't. I like the artwork in the background. If that was made by you, that's amazing. It looks so nice. But yeah, I guess let's just get started with the game. Uh, Whoa, okay, help. Use the WASD keys to select a tile and spacebar to move, or left click the green tiles. So that's movement. The timers slowly tick down, but every movement made drains it faster. When the timer runs out, whoever has the largest score wins the round. Okay, so I'm guessing I'm playing against these little skulls, and I'm collecting the pellets, and different colors are better. Oh, and the enemy moves only when I move. Okay. So I guess let's just go. Just try out. Nothing works like reversing around. Okay, the time is going. Oh, I get a power up. Oh, what? With queen? After gaining chess pieces, the player can use buttons 1, 2, and 3 to select them or their icons. Each chess piece has a move pattern and coin cost to use it. The pawn generates coins while the rest burn through them. Oh. Oh. Okay, so maybe at least for the first round it shouldn't drain my power, because right now I'm still learning what I have. Player can move over dark tiles while the piece is active. Okay, yeah, like here, when I get the tutorial, the time stops. So maybe just either introduce me to all the different types, or give me like a slower time drain when I'm reading the tiles. But since the enemy doesn't move until I move, I think you could just be you could just stop the timer fully when I am reading the different pieces. Because right now I know about two pieces in the game, which is the queen and the knight, and the time is going pretty quickly while I'm reading all of the effects of them. But here I like that the time stops in the tutorial. Black chess pieces don't have an active state, but instead add passive effects to the game. Black chess pieces change the game in a large way and can also be upgraded, not yet implemented. Okay, it's implemented, but yeah, I would just fix that spelling mistake completely. Also, if you're worried about spelling mistakes in your game, I would say to just take all the text that you have in the game and ask a friend. If you know somebody who also knows the language that you're making the game in, I would say just ask them if they can go through everything and see if they can find any spelling mistakes. And the more people you can ask, the better, because I mean, more people will see it. I'll probably miss any spelling mistakes that happen. This one just, I don't know, I caught it really quickly, but I know to also miss spelling mistakes just as well as you did miss that spelling mistake. It's normal, it happens. And I think you're using Mova Avi. I think that's a recording software, I'm guessing. So I would also recommend to use a recording software that doesn't have a watermark. I'm using OBS Studio. I can recommend OBS since it's great. And yeah, I guess let's continue. So right now, whoa, the enemy will move over the board, stealing pellets and leg the player. Says the timer. Oh, I can go through this. Oh, I didn't realize I can go through that. Okay. Or the rules stealing pellets, and like the player has a score as well. Besides the timer, the round can be settled when the player captures the enemy or vice versa. The player decides to capture the enemy instead, they gain the kill mult of your current chess piece as well as the remainder of the timer mult added to their score. So did I win the first round or no? I can't go through it. Why didn't I go to the end? Each power-up pellet picked up gives the player the opportunity to choose. Okay, I went through this. White, black, green, purple, golden, red. Whoa. White, black, green, purple, golden, red. Okay. I guess I'll go for what? Okay. So what's this? White pawn up, yeah. White pawn up. I'm wondering what that is. Well, meet the coin requirement and are opened when the player moves on top of them. Oh, they cost 30 coins. Okay, so I cannot open this one. Okay, those are the point counts. Interesting. I guess I'll go for the white pawn up. Oh, he can move diagonally. What? I didn't realize the enemy can move diagonally. I guess he got the bishop. Okay. I lost? What? But I got the enemy, right? Okay, that was interesting. I guess I'll get the white queen. What? Okay, now I'm confused. What just happened? Why did I lose? I guess I'll get an extra life because I'm not the good white pawn up, sure. Okay. Black pawn allows the player to teleport across the board? Get the queen. Oh. I don't know. White pawn, I guess. White pawn. Shit. White pawn. I'll get the king. Okay, that works. Yeah. What? Shit. White pawn. White king. White king. No, it ended. White king. White king. White king, white king. White king up. White king. Okay. So I guess I'm currently so far ahead, the enemy Whoa, what? How did he get 20,000? What? Damn, okay, I'm not that far ahead, I guess. Sure, white king. White queen, white king. I don't have any items, I guess I'll just go for killing him. I did a mistake. Sure. No. Whoa, what? Am I not dead here? I guess I'll use the blue bishop. Oh, I can't do that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Give me the queen. What just happened? Okay. White queen. White pawn. Okay, time ended. So is this like endless? Or is there some way to finish the game? I guess it's an arcade game, so it's endless. Oh, I end? What? Wait, what? How did I lose now? Okay, so it's definitely endless. And I'm guessing the round and score is just 15 times 6, 4, 2, 3. That's 3. Yeah, okay, so the total score is just the score times the round. Okay, so it's interesting, it's interesting. I like the concept. So the pieces, everything is okay. I did not try the knight yet. Guess I haven't tried the rook either. Oh, that's so much better. Sure, I guess. So I can just do this. Oh, I should have done that way sooner. Sure, let's get the pawn up and let's go to the end. White rook up. I guess this is the way the game was intended to be played. Like, I'll just go this normally. But how does the coin thing work? Because I only get coins when I pass on the... Only when I go on the pellet do I get a coin. But if I fire a rook... Give me a second. I'll do this. When I go with the rook, I don't get a coin. Is it because I'm using? Oh, because the white pawn gives a coin and this takes 5. Okay, 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 okay. A small misunderstanding. Guess I'll do this. Doubles your coins. I guess I can do that. I forgot what the king does. Oh, the king, yeah. Ooh. I don't know, I'll go for what? Nothing happened? What? Why did nothing happen? Oh, okay. I thought I was going to lose because of a misinput. Again, I got nothing. Is that supposed to happen? Am I missing something? Okay, this run is going terribly. I guess I'll just take the enemy. I guess I'll go here. Oh, the player teleport goes forward. Sure. Can I do this then? No, I have to be in a. Why am I doing that? Sure. White bishop, and let's take the enemy. And he got so much. Why did he get it so much? Bishop go up. I can't take that, so I guess I'll just go all the way down here, go up. I should have done the rook. Nope. No, I can't. Okay. Even though I'm not using any of them. Guess I'll just take him. And yeah, that's it. Okay. I'll do one more run and I think that's going to be it. Whoa, this was terrible placement. I think I like the bishop. No, I think I like bishop and rook. Doubles the pawn coin gather rate. That's not bad, but I do want the bishop. Okay. So if I just pass through him, do I die? Oh, just nothing happens, okay. I guess now I'll take him, because why not? He didn't get much. And I'll go up here, take this, white bishop, go here, ah. So what's stopping me from just waiting out? I'm wondering how much his score goes up by just doing nothing. I know this is really boring right now, but I am just wondering. Okay, 936. And now it's going to take a little while. I'm wondering, does he have passive score going up, or does it just stay at 936 the whole time? So I guess to speed up, I'm just going to be back as soon as the timer is. Okay, so I can't believe this happened, but Firefox just completely crashed as soon as I paused the recording. So that's not good. That's not a problem with the game. That's a problem with my with my computer. But hopefully this time, again, I'm going to pause the recording so that the whole timer goes out. You know what? Actually, I'm not going to pause the recording. I'm just going to wait it out. Maybe cut this part from the video. But basically, I like the game. I have nothing too bad to say about the game. It's interesting, but I don't know if I would play it for more than like once. Cause okay, there's nothing like really keeping me to play it more. I don't know what to say. Also, I have no idea what this is. Oh, that's a pause button. Oh, I thought that was like health or something. But yeah, there's like not much that's keeping me to continue playing. Also, I don't know what this multiplier is. It was probably written somewhere. I just didn't read that part. The UI feels really cluttered for some reason, although I don't know how you would fix that. Since yeah, here you have the five pieces. You have the two not upgrades, I guess tools. Also calling them coins while having the medal. Oh, just help appears. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I could say like change the piece here to the little icon on the piece to be the piece that you're actually using. So for example, I'm using a pawn so that you would have a pawn icon instead of the queen. And the enemy maybe... I mean, it's kind of weird to have him be like a skull. He should probably be like an enemy piece. For example, if I'm going by this and saying that I'm... Whoa. Okay, so I need to get at least one score. If we're going by saying that I am the black piece, because... Ah, he got 120. Okay, I overpassed him. If you're going by that I'm the black piece because of the icon, then maybe he should be the white piece. Just to keep with the theme of chess pieces. And maybe the color scheme could be more towards that. Although this looks nice, I like it. It's just because we're using you're using like chess pieces and stuff like that. So maybe this could be more towards that kind of feel of chess. I definitely think that the ground should have a tile, should have tiles like a chessboard, because I did have moments where I was like, is this diagonal with this? And no, it is not. But I did have at times something like that, and yes, he did gain points for nothing. Interesting. I'm not sure why, but that is interesting. Other than that, maybe put the round underneath the high score, and I don't know, maybe the pause button up here, although that would also be kind of weird. I'm not sure what the game is supposed to be played on mouse or keyboard or something else. I think you did say or mention that it was supposed to be for gamepads, in which case I am sorry, I'm playing on mouse and keyboard. But yeah, there's not much to say currently about the game. I mean, I enjoyed playing it, but I don't feel like it's a game I would play more than once or twice. It just doesn't have anything to keep me playing. But other than that, if you can figure out something like maybe tailor it more towards mobile gaming, towards like making literally a game for like Android and iOS, and have like daily missions and maybe like skins you can buy, so you could go somewhere in that direction, because it does feel like I forgot what the genre of games is. It's like hyper something. It does feel like that kind of game, and I think you could benefit from that. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this playtest and review. I didn't find any bugs. At least I think I didn't find any bugs. Everything was alright. The tutorial is nice. Mm, yeah, yeah, he also gains points. I'm not sure why he's gaining points every time the round ends. I'm guessing it's something like the amount of points he collected times the round number, which is okay. I was hoping that's going to happen, because in theory, if that didn't happen and I just had more points than him, I could just constantly do nothing and I would just go round by round, going further and further, and I mean, I just do nothing but I'd be winning, but the high score would be bad. And I'm not sure if it's because that definitely could be because it crashed. Wait, let me try it out. I never finished the round. Wait. Let's get a knight. Nope. I thought I could. No. No. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, what? Oh, the exit button turns off the game? Oh, okay. That definitely should not happen. The exit button should transfer you to the main menu, or there shouldn't be an exit button here. There should be a main menu button that transfers you to the main menu instead of going out of the game, because well, okay, I thought I was going to the main menu. I didn't think I was exiting the game. Okay, so I would say definitely fix that. That should not be like that. But yeah, okay, I'll stop rambling. I think I have nothing better to say. To the developer, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for letting me test out the game. For anybody that wants to try out the game, it was really fun, and you can find it in the description. And yep, I'll see you in the next one.